Hello reptile enthusiasts, today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the Hypo translucent bearded dragon, a captivating and unique reptile morph that adds a touch of vibrancy and wonder to your reptile collection. This remarkable bearded dragon morph has distinctive features and care requirements for successful keeping, but before we delve into the intriguing world of the Hypo translucent bearded dragon, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. What sets the Hypo translucent bearded dragon apart is its eye-catching appearance. These dragons typically have bright, vibrant citrus colors, such as oranges and yellows, which are even more vivid than those of many other bearded dragon morphs. This translucent trait also adds a unique dimension to their appearance, giving them a slightly translucent or see-through quality, particularly noticeable in their scales and nails. This combination of bright citrus hues and translucency makes them stand out and highly sought after by reptile enthusiasts. Moreover, like all bearded dragons, they exhibit the bearded display, puffing out their throat to communicate and as a defense mechanism. The Hypo translucent variety showcases their behavior with an added layer of visual appeal due to their vibrant coloring and translucency, making them a mesmerizing addition to the world of reptiles. To successfully care for your Hypo translucent bearded dragon, it's essential to provide the right environment. They thrive in well-maintained terrarium with appropriate temperature and UVB lighting. Bearded dragons are omnivorous, enjoying a diet of insects, vegetables, and fruits. Maintaining proper temperature gradients, offering basking spot, and providing hiding spots and branches for climbing are crucial for their well-being. Hypo translucent bearded dragons are relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. They are versatile and captivating addition to any reptile collection. Their unique appearance, vibrant colors, and ease of care make them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts and collectors. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of reptiles on our channel.